Hello guys, so my mom commented on my video. She said, "Can you draw my name, Luz?" See? And she wanted pink and purple. Let's get my paper, my scissors, my purple, and my pink. First, let's sanitize. Kaya lang ito mga nandito, kaya talaga ng mga Now let's cut. Her main name is Luz, so I'm gonna put some pink. I'm done with the pink. Now it's purple. I'm done with the purple. Now let's add a little bit of tape. Now this is okay now. Luz. Now mom take a screenshot of these and yep, memories.